Hi everyone, today we have another non-sponsored Korean skincare review. Please make sure you subscribe if you like non-sponsored reviews like this. Beta-Glucan is an antioxidant which is derived from mushrooms. Research say that it is better than hyaluronic acid in holding moisture. Stay till the end to see how was my experience with this product. So this is from the brand iUNIK, which is a cruelty-free, paraben-free and fragrance-free brand from Korea. This product does have 98% of beta-glucan. It does have niacinamide. It also comes with lot of plant extracts. It has plum strawberry extract. It has Centella Asiatica extract, betaine, allantoin, arginine, pomegranate extract, fig extract, aloe vera leaf extract, licorice root extract, sesame leaf extract. So much good ingredients. But there is only one problematic ingredient I can spot, and that is myrrh resin extract, which is used for making essential oil. So technically it is an essential oil. But anyway, I can't smell anything like essential oil. It comes at the end of the list, so I hope it won't be a problem. It looks like all the ingredients are non-comedogenic. The tube look like a very sleek, nice tube. It will come with a seal on outside packaging, and also inside the tube you have to take it off when using it. The texture is like a thick cream, but once applied it easily absorbs. No greasiness, no tackiness, beautiful fine consistency. After a few minutes I can feel my skin super soft and smooth, just like I applied some retinol. I used this at night, so it lasted me for 2 months. If you're using it twice, it will last for only 1 month. So whenever I wake up in the morning, I could see my skin. It is super moisturized and plump. Also, saw the dark spots were fading, maybe due to the niacinamide in it. It holds all the other products and serums, everything I have applied prior to this. It just holds that well into my skin and also gives a lot of moisture. This is one product I can feel really nice to use on my eye area also, and it makes eye areas very smooth. No breakouts, so I can recommend to acne prone skin too. It is safe to use with other ingredient like retinol or peptide or vitamin C. Everything works well with this. Definitely I feel it's better than hyaluronic acid. If you're living in a very cold place, if your skin is flaking, I would highly recommend this to you because it can save your skin without a single flake. Not joking, it's that moisturizing. When I was having dryness due to retinol, I used this one night and next morning no single dry patch was there. I will definitely buy this in future, and I recommend this to all the skin types, both oily, dry, combo, normal. Everyone can try this. I will also link a research link about beta-glucan. If you are interested, you can just read that also. I also hope that this review was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.